So I want to give a little tip on how to run drip irrigation. There's a lot of different drip irrigation styles out there. Some that have the little spaghetti lines, little stake, little micro sprayers. The only type of drip irrigation I'd ever recommend using is an inline drip emitter. Why I like these is because there's very few parts. It's really easy to install and it's very water efficient. This is installed as a grid, so you can see there's a line every 12 inches. And so with this being every 12 inches and the emitter being 12 inches in this direction, you basically have a grid. The concept behind it is you're irrigating the root zone as a whole. You're not irrigating just right around the base of each plant, because really the roots of that plant aren't right at the base of the plant. Let's just say this is a tree right here. People will run an emitter, kind of snake it around and just have one line right by the base of the tree. But the tree roots can go sometimes 10, 15, 20 feet out. So having a grid irrigated all around the tree is actually the best way to get water to that plant. Another benefit of having this grid is in the future, if you want to add plants, take things out, make adjustments, you don't need to change the irrigation. Once the irrigation is in that grid pattern, you can basically plant anywhere you want. It's always going to be within a few inches of the drip line. That really makes it more water efficient, easy to make adjustments, limited parts to break into clog and have to repair, and you're watering the plants more effectively. And it actually uses the same amount of water as if you were to snake them around the garden. That's my tip to you.